Samsung's performance-throttling game optimizing service has been found on the Samsung Galaxy S23, although you can at least disable it. Gauze caused a lot of fuss around the Samsung Galaxy S22's launch last year, since its purpose is to limit the maximum computing power of the phone's chipset when using games, benchmarking tools, and other related apps. In theory, game optimizing service is beneficial since it will avoid overheating, which could damage the phone or at least make it uncomfortable to hold during long gaming sessions. But users are equally right to demand the full potential of the device they paid for, whether Samsung thinks it's a good idea or not. Galaxy S23 users might be happy to hear that they can hold their phones. Fortunately, there's a toggle in the Game Booster app's menu under the Labs section for alternate game performance management. Its description, which details it'll increase performance but at the expense of heat, certainly sounds like it's the GOS off switch. It's something to keep in mind if you've got a Galaxy S23 on the way and want to prioritize power over heat. With the customized Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy and improved cooling systems on all models, Samsung's in a great position possible for beating the rest of the best Android phones on computing power with the Galaxy S23 series. In fact, in our testing for our Galaxy S23 Ultra review, we found it outpaced the iPhone 14 Pro, usually the king of smartphone performance for GPU performance. The Galaxy S23 series, including the Galaxy S23 Ultra, arrives in stores on February 17, but Galaxy S23 pre-orders are open if you've already made up your mind. And if you do end up picking up an S23, make sure you remember the alternate game performance management setting for when you want to get the most out of your mobile games. So what are your thoughts on Samsung's decision of GOS off switch? Let us know it down in the comment section and check out our channel for more Galaxy news. See you for the next time. Peace out.